Itong mainit na ulo, yung PD, Danao. Init ang ulo ng tao, bata. Pero he's good. Worker talaga yan. Pareho sila ni Bato. They can solve a kidnapping overnight. Sabi ko, I want that kidnapping. Ikaw, Danao, bubugbog na palit. Sabi ko, ito, hanapin mo by no morning. Ikaw na ang bugbugin ko kasi nambubugbog ka ng pulis.
Okay. Chona, you? Good evening, Mr. President. Sir, point of clarification. Are you officially ordering Secretary Dar to suspend rice importation?